Hello, my name is Josh, and I'm a cop.
Hi, I'm Babe, and I cook for the cop.
You're still working on that intro, huh, babe?
I think you are too.
No way, I got it down. So today we're going to be making a very special recipe. Our friend and fellow YouTuber, Cooking with Corey, check out his channel, Cooking with Corey. He sent us a very special, it's like a dressing, right? It's like a marinade, and you can only get it in the Midwest. Specifically, it's from Nebraska. So Babe will show it to you right now. Look at this, babe.
Dressing and condiment.
There we go.
Style.
It's called Dorothy Lynch. And so we're going to be doing a little baked breaded chicken today in the oven. Super simple recipe. It's quarantine time. And we've never had this. You cannot get this. I've never seen it. You cannot get this on the West Coast. Definitely can't get it in Los Angeles. And so we're going to try out some Dorothy Lynch. So we're going to try out some Dorothy Lynch baked breaded chicken breasts. We're going to do a little rice. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Super simple recipe.
I just want to give a special shout out to my friend Corey. Thank you so much for sending us this. I'm very excited to try it.
Corey and Babe have a love-hate relationship.
I love Corey. He's one of my favorites.
All right, let's just jump into it. And are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? And here we go.
Every house. It's all about the Lysol and the wipes.
Absolutely.
Yeah, there we go.
I tried to Lysol you today when you walked in.
Yeah. All right, babe.
We're starting with this.
That's beef rice-a-roni, babe.
You picked it.
We don't have chicken rice-a-roni in the pantry. It's all about
Mexican.
but that's the same, babe. Babe. Okay, so we're going to have some type of rice on the side. Okay.
And we're doing rice-a-roni. This is not a healthy meal.
No.
by any means.
Okay, talk about what you did, babe.
Okay, so for about 24 hours, I've been marinating the chicken. This is what the dressing looks like. It's a little bit thinner. It smells like Thousand Island. Don't mind my quarantine nails. Smells kind of like Thousand Island. It smells fantastic. We're gonna take this. We're just gonna roll it in some breadcrumbs and stick it in the oven. Okay, so you're gonna put it in the oven at 350, and we're gonna check it at about 30 to 35 minutes to make sure it's up to the proper temperature, and then we will enjoy.
You're laying out the breadcrumbs, babe. I'm just giving the folks what it looks like.
Okay.
So, never heard of this before. Corey says it's good. Came from Nebraska. He shipped it to us. So, yeah.
So you could marinate this for 1 hour, 4 hours. We just happen to do it for 24 hours.
Yeah. That's not the Corona.
That's not Corona.
No. So you are, it does on the website, it does call for panko. This is a mix of panko and bread because that's what I had. And we're trying to use what we have. And go out as little as possible. Okay. Lay that in there.
So what's everybody doing? What's everybody cooking? What's going on in everybody's life right now? These are the questions that we're asking.
Big things.
Big things, because at this point, people are probably getting pretty sick and tired of being locked up in their house. Their pantries, they're digging deep for beef rice-a-roni and breaded chicken.
Okay, there's our second.
How are you going to fit 3 in there, babe?
Because I'm a woman. Not now.
What?
Because I'm a woman. How do I pack the car every time we go on vacation for 5?
I packed the car.
I wish that we could have a bird, like a fly on the wall in our house, and people would see how much more I do than we even know, than anybody even realizes.
Yeah, babe.
Someday you'll give me accolades.
I love you. You're the best. Thank you for making our Dorothy Lynch chicken tonight and our beef rice-a-roni. And we were going to have asparagus, but then we opened the refrigerator and found out it was bad.
I know, that's a bummer.
But that's really a labor of love that you're working with there.
Yeah, babe, because I love you. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Ready? We're going to go ahead and put it in the oven. We don't make oven-baked chicken very often.
I know. You could use your air fryer. You could do it all kinds of different ways. We're just going old school today because I feel like a lot of people,
Have ovens. Not everybody has all the little gadgets.
So see you in 30 minutes?
See you in 30. I'm going to start the rice-a-roni.
Okay.
The beef
well,
rice
people
and
know how to cook that, so we'll see you in 30 minutes. Babe, how's that? Oh, it smells amazing, like beef rice. How's your gourmet rice going, babe?
Pretty good. You know, this is like the top ramen of rice.
What are you talking about? Rice-A-Roni is the San Francisco treat. Ding ding.
Rice-A-Roni, the San Francisco treat. Rice-A-Roni, the flavor can't be beat.
Okay.
Babe, it's been 30 minutes.
That is done. Let us check our chicken. Let us check our chicken. We're gonna go into thick part.
We're right about there, babe.
Almost there.
Perfect.
156.
Yeah, and then you just pull it out, put a little foil over it, and you'll be good.
Does chicken continue to cook the way beef does?
Everything continues to cook, babe. The glass is hot.
Okay.
That's hot. You're hot. Everything's hot.
Yeah, okay, babe.
Yeah, just put a little foil over it. You'll be fine.
Okay.
You're going to have some Dorothy Lynch chicken here momentarily. Oh, you're already sampling?
I just need to try a little bite.
That's because you know it's so good. Does it taste like chicken?
No. They pretty much all taste the same.
Well, when you have an all-brown dish, you have to have some green for the thumbnail, so what are you doing, babe?
I'm actually going to put a little bit of Dorothy Lynch on there to dip.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, this marinated for 24 hours. You don't have to marinate it that long. But we wanted to really get the flavor since we've never had this before.
Okay. Are you ready for me to take a little bite?
Yeah. And then I'll take a little bite and we're good, babe. I'm super excited to see how it tastes. Are you giving it a little extra dippy dip?
Yeah.
Let's see the dippy bite.
Oops.
Okay.
I like the flavor. It's like a lighter Thousand Island.
But with the breadcrumbs,
Yeah.
baked in the oven,
Yeah.
the chicken breast sometimes
Pretty
can get
juicy.
dry. That's why a lot of people prefer thighs.
Right.
But
No, this is good. This is good. I like it. It's... I don't think I've ever tasted anything like it.
that's because you're not from Nebraska.
But I really like it.
It's good?
It's good.
Awesome.
It is good, babe.
Okay, I want
you
to
a
try
bite.
it. Yeah, thanks, Corey.
Thank you, Corey. Okay, give it a go.
All right, we'll give it a go. It is like Thousand Island.
Yes.
A little bit.
But tangier, huh?
With more vinegar. More sugar.
Yeah.
It's really good. Corey made this on a patty melt.
That would be delicious.
Like a 80-20 ground beef, cheese, grilled onions with that.
Would be
That
phenomenal.
would be, now I see
It
what
would
he was
also be
talking
good
about.
on salad. I think it would be a good
That'd be
dressing.
good on salad too. It's kind of like a cross between a Thousand Island-ish vinaigrette.
Yeah. I like dipping in it.
I mean, the dip in it is definitely good, but I can
Yeah.
see like the boldness of beef, and then like a cheese and the grease and the fat with that would be
Yeah.
pretty jamming also.
Yeah, babe.
So, babe, we're definitely gonna have to use that.
Yes.
But yeah, all kinds of stuff. Or a meatloaf. I could see like a meatloaf with it.
Ooh,
Like a
meatloaf would
meatloaf?
be good. Yeah.
Oh, real good.
I like it.
I'm into breading on it.
It would have been good if we had if our asparagus wasn't bad. It would have been good over our asparagus.
It would have been good over the asparagus
Yeah.
because asparagus has a very bold taste. So I could see that.
Okay,
But
Corey.
I do like how juicy the chicken breast is very juicy because it's been marinated.
And because I cooked it right.
Not bad.
350, 30 minutes. Probably could have gone 25.
No, the temperature was fine. We let it rest. It was perfect.
Okay, babe.
All right, babe.
We're all done.
That's it.
Thank you, Corey.
Until the next time, more videos
See
to
you guys
come.
soon.
You guys be safe. Stay in the house.
Don't leave your house.
Don't leave your house.
Bang your head against a wall all day long. That's what I do.
If you're gonna drink a lot of water too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep yourself hydrated out
Keep
there,
yourself hydrated.
ladies and gentlemen.
All right. What's
Okay.
up?
What's up?
Welcome back.
So I got a haircut.
Yeah, you did.
I do not like it.
Okay, you don't like it. I love it. I bet people are gonna comment how handsome you are in the comments. You can read the comments.
If we get 10,000 likes and subscribers, I will agree that I like my hair.
I don't think that's gonna happen. But okay, why don't you try the chicken?
Okay.
What does it remind you of? What
It has that ketchup taste.
It has a ketchup taste?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good. You like it? Chicken's juicy. And you love rice-a-roni. The San Francisco treat.
Yeah, we'll take some of that.
Oh. All right. Now you can say what you need to say. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. If you get 10,000 likes, 10,000 subscribers, I will admit that my hair looks good.
Thank you.
Right, see ya.